Hey guys, super excited today to show you these amazing accessories for the favorite part of my Cybertruck, the Urander flat panel rack. Let's go. You know it's a good day when you get home and you find a big box from Urander. Let's see what they sent us. Hey, squirrels. I'm trying to film. All right, what we got here? My screen protector, will definitely be putting this in. Can't believe I've been 6 months without one. Oh, baby. Holy cow, this is better than it looked in the pictures. Check this out. Wow. Amazing. Hold your tools, hold your axe, hold whatever. And the smaller one. Jeez, this thing feels good. Nice weld points. Right on Urander. All right, let's get these installed. So you may have seen this amazing flat panel roof rack on my 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. I tell you, we get daily questions, compliments, and just attention for this rack. It makes the truck look completely different, as you can see. Ooh, so sick. I'm gonna put the smaller one right there and that larger one right there. The installation looks real simple. It's basically 2 holes here, 2 holes here. Put these brackets on. It's already marked. This says 1. This is side 2, 2, bracket, and install right there. All right, so here is bracket number 2. Bracket number 1 is already welded on. So we'll take this, we're gonna take that and put it right there. So 2 screws, Allen wrench, and 13 millimeter. And that's pretty simple. Okay, let's install this. All right, a little bit of thunder out here. Graham doesn't like thunder, so he's gonna be with me here. Basically, we're gonna take this, and by the way, I keep looking at this thing. It is so thick, so well made. The welding's like perfect. What I did, as you know, is I put this bracket on here, and this thing is gonna go basically right there. Let's get it done. 13 millimeter, Allen wrench. Okay, first things first, we've got to remove these 4 bolts. And done. Boom, look at that. That thing is solid, looks so good. Love how it's on the angle here, but it's totally, obviously, parallel to the ground, so that's awesome. Okay, let's do number 2. All right, let's get this done. So, last time it was 4 screws. Ugh. This one's bigger. So we are going to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same size. All good. Okay, so finished product. Let me take a look at both of these for you. So this is the side with 1, 2, 3. It's got an angled bottom. Looks so good. Oh, so good. The side's a little smaller, built for different purposes, but attaches just with 2 bolts straight across. So love how they are parallel to the bed, and love the fact that they're just built so tight. I mean, the welds, the thickness of the metal. I even love that logo right there. So good. What do you think, Graham? Hey, I'll just add this on to the end of this video here. A couple of people have said that your rack, whether it be the Male panel or the flat panel like this, has a little bit of wind noise. And if those of you who've had racks for years, like I have, I've had racks on like 6 different vehicles. Wind noise is a part of racks, but I will tell you that this one's designed so well if you install it correctly. So here's the problem. If you have any sort of light leakage, it means wind leakage. So make sure here, you've got this piece here. Let's get it in focus. Right there. This has to be adjusted. So see that screw there? And then these screws here. Adjust everything on this rack as far forward as possible. There should be no light. So when you go around the back, check this out. All right, Graham, let's get in here. Okay, if you look straight ahead, oh, there's another Tesla pulling in. There should be no light coming through the windscreen or the wind deflector. If you have light, it's absolutely going to lead to wind noise. So I readjusted mine. There's no light. This thing is perfectly quiet on the highway. So I thought I'd throw that in. Take a look at yours if you've got any wind noise. Anyway, there you have it. These accessories for the Urander roof rack for Cybertruck just make it so much easier to carry additional tools or anything you need as you're out doing work, doing recreation, camping, whatever. What a great product. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.